Hi guys, what's up? Today is day 11 of Vlogmas and today I'm going to be talking to you about Setapp on the Mac after this. So Setapp, guys, is it's an online paid platform essentially that you download onto a Mac. Unfortunately, it's not available on PC, so it is a Mac only piece of software, and it opens up the key really to other pieces of software. So it's basically like a subscription base that you pay for and then have access to all of those applications. There's an absolute mammoth amount of applications on there that you can use, and I use about 6 or 7 of them on a very regular basis. And I think initially, before I even found or came across Setapp, I'd already bought 2 of the applications before that I'd already used. One of them was about 20 quid and one of them was £10, something like that. And then from the other ones that I use as well, I probably have saved around £150 so far on buying software. And to be fair, I probably wouldn't have bought the software, if I'm honest with you, really, because I wouldn't have thought it was good value for what it would have cost to buy outright. But paying a monthly subscription for it to be able to access all of this software, for me, I think it's really good value. So I use Setapp on a regular basis. I use the applications that they provide all the time. There's some really good ones. There's apps for productivity, lifestyle, creativity, developer tools, Mac hacks, writing and blogging. Don't use those. Education, maintenance, task management, personal finance. And there's also a ton of apps that are available on iOS for your phone or your iPad. So within each of those categories, there's a certain amount of apps, and every probably 2 weeks or so, there's new apps added, and they have like a what's new section, and you can go and have a look in there and see what kind of apps are now available. And you can just download them, use them, try them out, see if they're for you, see if you get any value out of them. And yeah, I'm going to be honest with you, I use about 6 or 7 of the apps really regularly, a couple of them on a daily basis, and for me it's been definitely worth it. So even just kind of scrolling through some of the apps that are available, I've picked up a couple like MindNode and things like that that I use to kind of plan out things, and yeah. It's really good, really worth it. So if you've never looked into Setapp, I'd recommend you give it a try out, and there's some details in the description below of how you can try Setapp out. And yeah, give it a go and let me know your thoughts. If you already use Setapp, then let me know what your favourite app is that you use on a daily or regular basis. Until the next one, thanks guys.